Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Creativity and Inspiration. If you're new, I'm so happy you found us. It means a lot. And if you come back week after week, thank you. That's awesome too. Today I thought I would share all my favorite paper crafting books. The books that are inspiration, the books that I definitely go to if I'm kind of in a funk. They just help. Let me share. And they're in no particular order. The first one I have is Journal Sparks Fire Up Your Creativity with Spontaneous Art, Wild Writing, and Inventive Thinking. This one really is for crafting funks because this one has you do exercises all the way through it. And I think it's great. Sometimes I just do it for fun too when I'm kind of in a mood. This is a great way to get out of a mood. Like I said, it has you writing, you draw things, you just do a whole bunch of different things. I'm going to do a quick little, just kind of show you real quick. Kind of just different pages. It's super fun, and I think it's a super fun book. Now the next one is called Altered Books Workshop. And this is all about ways, ideas, tips, tricks for turning books into journals, actual books into journals. And I love this one as well. I think it's super fun. There's a lot of helpful information in here, especially if you aren't strong in taking a book and turning it into a journal. This is a great one. Now this one I got at Half Price Books. I'm going to see if I can find it on Amazon. It's the Elemental Journal, Composing Artful Expressions from Items Cast Aside. And most of this one is using nature as a theme, as a theme, maybe as inspiration. So it's very interesting. It's also about repurposing, reusing, which makes it super fun too. Like I said, I got this one at Half Price Books years ago, but I'll see if I can find it on Amazon. The Complete Decorated Journal is it's all journaling techniques. And this book is so fun. And it's a pretty thick book. And there's just a lot of ideas in here. Altered Books Beyond the Basics. So this is, again, altered books, real, like a novel book, a fiction book. And you're turning it into a journal. And this is beyond just what beginners need. This goes next level. This book is fun too. In fact, they're all fun. I'm not going to lie. Okay, this next book is The Complete Guide to Altered Imagery. So it wouldn't even have to be for a journal. This could be for mixed media art as well. This book is also awesome. I love it. I love all these books. A lot of fun. And then the last book is from Half Price Books again, but it's so fun because it's the Paper Pieced Home. The Paper Pieced Home. And it's not just about journals, but it's about how you can use paper decorating throughout your home. And it has some extremely interesting ideas in it. Like I said, I love all these books. These are my go-to happy place. I'm sharing my happy place with all of you. There's tons of ideas. And even if you don't like any of the ideas, it might spark different, ideas in your minds. And I thought I would just share. Like I said, if you get in a funk, they're great for that too. Anyway, I hope you like this. I hope you'll go check out the links. Everything's linked down below. If I couldn't find those 2 books that I got from Half Price Books, they won't be there, but the rest of them will be. Thanks, guys, for being here with me today. Also, do me a favor, leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite book about junk journals? Do you have one? Hey, guys, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button with that little bell and click all. We have a lot of great videos, and I don't want you to miss out. Thank you to all the new subscribers. You are amazing. Tell your friends. Let's keep growing because I want to do a huge, big giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thanks. See you next time.